Hello my YouTube friends, welcome back to Rinali multi-channel vlogs. लाजवाब नवाबी मुर्ग recipe. Today we are diving into something extraordinary. We'll be using an ingredient you have probably seen 100 times, but never quite like this. It's small, it's powerful, and it's about to transform your kitchen. The feast we are making is a traditional royal Mughlai dish prepared using a whole chicken. Let's unravel the mystery together. First of all, marinating the chicken. Take a whole chicken and make cuts all around it. In a large bowl, mix half liter of water, juice from half a lemon, and 1 tablespoon of salt. The chicken in this lemon salt water mixture for 1 hour. This allows the salt to permeate and flavor the chicken from the inside out. Preparing the masala paste. Take some whole spices and dry fruits, grind them and into a fine paste. The paste is ready. In a separate plate, mix 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 small bowl of yogurt, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon chaat masala powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala powder, and 1 tablespoon roasted cumin powder, and a pinch of food color. It is optional, and the juice of 1 lemon. Mix all these ingredients slowly to make a smooth masala paste. Now marinating the chicken with masala. Remove the chicken from the lemon, salt, water and squeeze out any excess water. Rub the prepared masala paste all over the chicken, covering it inside and out. Now take a thread, chicken's legs together using a thread to keep its shape intact. Now, frying the chicken, take a large pan and add oil to it. Once the oil is hot, place the marinated chicken in the pan and fry it all sides until it is evenly browned. Carefully flip and fry the chicken until it has a nice golden crust. The chicken is fried. Now preparing the gravy. In a separate pan, add oil and fry 5 to 6 finely chopped onions until they turn golden. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. One tablespoon red chili powder. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon coriander powder. 1 tablespoon roasted cumin powder. And 1 tablespoon garam masala powder. Add any remaining marinated paste from the chicken into the pan. Now cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the spices are well roasted. Add 1 small bowl of yogurt. And the dry fruit paste prepared earlier. Mix well. Add 10 to 12 mint leaves to the gravy. You will notice the gravy has a rich and thick texture. Cooking the chicken in gravy, place the fried chicken into the prepared gravy. Pour in 2 glasses of water to ensure the chicken cooks properly and becomes tender. Cook the chicken for 15 minutes on each side over medium flame. Starting by cooking on the chest side since the breast meat tends to be thicker. After 30 minutes, your Lajawab Nawab Murg feast is ready. Serve hot with roti, rice, or tandoori bread. Enjoy this royal feast. If you liked the recipe, don't forget to like and comment. Thank you. See you in the next video.
Goodbye.